2023 Mazda Mazda3 Sedan. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. Its sensibility is matched by a spread of extra features, which include lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, heads-up display, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!